Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 47th day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. So yesterday I did a practice. As I told you that I do many practice for improving my skill, like watching videos, written some English parts and mirror practice. Okay, and lots of things I do whenever I want to do, like I start talking to my brother. He just listened me and he didn't he did not give reply. He just listened me. And but it's like that I am doing practice. If you don't want to say anything, it's okay. I'm just doing my practice. It's like that you have to be you want to someone who listen you. That's it. Whether he give reply or not, it doesn't mean to me. And so I was talking about that practice. So I did this practice very before when I started my spoken journey. And I mean, it is a part of listening English. As I told you, for improving English you will have to spend more and more time with English. So as I do, like watching podcast, listen, all the video stories. And so there is a there is a many audiobooks on YouTube. So you can do one thing, that go on YouTube and listen audiobooks. These audiobooks are very helpful and interesting. I mean, suppose you started any video, any random video, and you find it boring, then what will you do? You skip it. Okay. And then your practice also will be left. But and what if you find it interesting? Then it is very nice thing. If you get something interesting, then it will be very helpful for you. And even whenever we do hard things with interest, it will be more easy than it is. So so you find it many audio books and lots of stories. So you can listen it. Okay. Yesterday I found a story and I listened it. It is very interesting. So you can do also. Okay. So like, as it is my 47th day, and as I told you that I completed my half of my challenge. So like my other friends, those who are very close to me, what they told me, that like I what I did, I analyzed, like, what are the things people uh, got me after seeing me. Like, like, your closed one can tell you what are the difference you get. They can see what are the difference you get. Okay. So I analyze, and I uh, I tell them that, can you please tell me what are the difference I get? Then they, what they tell me, like, they were like, ki, I mean, of course, the first they say that in the starting you don't have courage that you can speak in front of, you in front of camera. And even they also know that in the starting I made videos, but I could not upload because of my fear. And now I have a courage, and I don't have fear to be judged and all these things. Then first thing is that. And second thing is that they were like, in the starting you feel hesitated while speaking, and now you are like, what they said, now whenever you make video, you are like that you are talking to someone. Then it is very good thing for me, because I'm enjoying. That's why I do. I mean, I'm not pretending like, I'm just doing better. No. Whenever I make video, I don't know, it's like that. Of course, I'm talking to me, and it's feeling very interesting. So, and as I told you before, that if I take interest in hard thing, then it will be easy for me. And of course, it is not hard, and I find it interesting also. So things will be very easy going. Or okay. So thank you. Jai Hind. And thank you for supporting me. Bear with me. Thank you.